Hi guys, and welcome to Cultnomics. My name is Paul Hanley, and today I'm going to be chatting to you about the welfare loss of market power. Right, in order to show the market failure of a firm that exhibits market power, what we are going to do is we are going to show a firm that is profit making. And in order to do that, we'll label our axis here. We have both price and cost up on our y-axis. We will have quantity down here on our x-axis, and we will show a demand curve for that firm. The demand curve is, like for most products out there, downward sloping. We will call that demand here, and we will also put in a marginal revenue curve. The marginal revenue curve is also downward sloping and cuts the x-axis between 0 here and where the demand curve cuts the quantity axis. So we'll call this marginal revenue. Next up, for a profit maximizing firm, what we have to show is the average total cost, and this tends to be a U-shaped cost curve as shown. So this is the average total cost of this firm, and related to that would be a marginal cost curve, which would cut it at its bottom point just like this and increases thereafter. So we have marginal cost as well. Profit maximization occurs where MC is equal to MR, so we find that point here, and that gives us the quantity that should be produced for this firm to profit maximize. And if we bring it up to our demand curve, we can also derive the price that the firm should sell its product at in order to profit maximize. We can also show that profit by moving out here from where the vertical axis hits the average cost curve, and that is the cost of a profit maximizing firm. So what happens here is, what we want to do is show why this is not efficient and optimum for society. Well, the first thing is to be allocatively efficient, so allocative efficiency. What this requires for a firm is that it produces where its marginal cost is equal to its price, and this occurs in perfect competition in really highly competitive markets. So in our case over here, the marginal cost curve would cut the demand curve over at this point. And if we brought our line straight across, this would be allocative efficiency for our firm. It would be a price that is allocative efficient, and this would be the quantity, if we bring it straight down, that would be allocatively efficient as well. So quantity allocatively efficient. What we see with a firm with market power is that it does not produce at this point. So it produces at a quantity that is far below this point here. And what that tends to do is it causes a deadweight loss. And the deadweight loss occurs below the demand curve and above the marginal cost curve. So what we have is a deadweight loss over here in this triangle. And we can fill that in. And that shows the amount of welfare in terms of societal welfare that's lost due to a firm producing less than its socially optimum point. And that point, or that area, is called deadweight loss. So this is the inefficiency of a firm with market power. I hope you call back to Cultnomics soon. Bye for now.